Hey everybody, thanks for checking out my videos. In this video, I just kind of want to talk about my favorite filmmaking tool, at least one of them. And it's something that's really simple, but I found out just how much I really love this item recently because they're small, lightweight, and they can just do so much. You can do so much with them. And that's these basically little gorilla tripods. They're flexible. You can kind of position them however you want. What I love about them is you can throw a camera on there. You can throw a light on, like this one. I have a light that I will often use to bounce my light. This also has a little quick release too, so you can quickly pull stuff off and put it back on, and you can position stuff pretty much anywhere you want with these. You can wrap them around poles, you could wrap them around the desk, you could use them as a stand, you could have them sit really low, really high. They're just an amazing tool, and it's probably, like I said, my favorite filmmaking tool.